Hi everybody, well it's Friday afternoon and this is another day for keto low carb food, and we're making strawberry ice cream today. Believe it or not, you can make it out of cottage cheese and strawberries, frozen strawberries, and we're going to put some Monkfruit in it. That's a sweetener, and put it in the freezer for an hour or so, and we're going to have ice cream. So here we go. It starts out with a cup of cottage cheese. There's your cottage cheese. We're going to make a cup of it. We've already got it down in the blender. Okay. And then you put in your fruit as much as you want. And this is how much is frozen. That's how much I got. That's what we're going to put in there. Because I love strawberry ice cream. Let's see if we can get it down in there. Okay. Then we're going to put in about 2 tablespoons, Bert, 2 tablespoons of the Monkfruit sweetener. This is what we're choosing to use. You pick out any sweetener that you like. Put the top on. Put the blender. Okay, we blended it about, 30 seconds. And there it is. So we're going to put it in the freezer, but by the magic of camera, we'll be right back.
Hey folks, we're back, and we've got our low carb ice cream right out of the freezer. We've had it in there for I don't know. I guess it's been about an hour, but we're gonna try it. We're both anxious to give it a shot. It may be a little bit soft right now, but honestly, if you just leave it there for a couple hours, I think it'll be a little bit better.
Let me take a picture.
But this is sort of a soft serve ice cream, if you will.
Oops.
And I'll give Linda a spoon, and I'll take one, and we're going to give it a shot and try it. Bon appetit, everybody. That is strawberry ice cream.
Gosh, it's very creamy.
It's very, very creamy ice cream.
That's good. Now for me, let me recap the recipe. It's 1 cup of cottage cheese.
It's about a cup and a half of strawberries.
Probably as much fruit as you want in there. And 3 tablespoons of, we use monk fruit this time. If it were
and
me,
you can use stevia or
Splendor,
allulose or whatever else type of artificial sweetener you like.
You think it's sweet enough?
It's on the verge. To me, it's okay.
For me, I'd put probably another tablespoon of some sort of sweetener in it. But all in all, it's delicious.
But it's very, very good. And also, you don't have to use strawberries. You could put blueberries in here. You could put some pineapple in here, I guess. Just whatever type of fruit that you would like. It would work. Just be careful of the carbs in whatever fruit you select. But anyways, hope you guys have... Go ahead, I'm sorry.
The next ice cream we're going to make is going to be butter pecan, because Bert likes pecans. So that will be a future video. All right, now you can do it.
And just remember, guys, to subscribe, like, share out our channel.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there.
Happy Mother's Day to everybody's moms. Hope you guys have a great Mother's Day Sunday. And remember, God loves you, and so do we. And we'll see you soon.